Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of July. And first of all, national news. Domestic airlines cancelled 7,030 flights till May 31st, government data. Days after Microsoft outage, YouTube down for some users. Testing agency has postponed 16 exams since inception in 2018, Lok Sabha told. BJP planned two-day organizational meet focused on next round of assembly polls. SEBI didn't get specific information on unfair trading on poll results day. Minister. No more a family show. Shinde camp leaders seek ban on Big Boss. Bill for Greater Bengaluru governance in monsoon session sources. And now some international news. Ukraine operation is priority, Russia said as Biden quit US election race. Iconic sites in France hosting Paris Olympics 2024 events. Donald Trump wanted party to be reimbursed for spending money campaigning against Joe Biden. 57 Bangladeshis jailed for protesting in UAE, a report said. Kamala Harris races to wrap up Democrats Party nomination. Now some sports news. Veteran Indian goalkeeper Srijesh to retire after Paris Olympics. Gautam Gambhir issued strict no more breaks directive to Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli. Not going to repeat my mistakes, Marika Batra ahead of Paris Olympics. The USA were the co-host of the 2024 T20 World Cup. ICC suffered loss of more than Rs 164 crore for T20 World Cup USA leg review committee formed. Business related news. FDI inflows from China can increase India's global supply chain participation, economic survey. Artificial intelligence has potential to disrupt employment, economic survey warned. Apple assembled 14% of global iPhones in India in financial year 24 economic survey. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the Union Budget 2024 on Tuesday. Domestic airlines cancelled 7,030 flights till May 31st, government data. And that's all in news. Thank you.